Today I'm sharing how to cook a simple chicken bone broth with just 2 ingredients. This recipe yields about 2.5 liters of chicken broth. The ingredients needed are 630 grams of chicken carcass, washed and cleaned, and 3 liters of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with blanching the chicken carcass. Put all the chicken carcass in the pot. Add in water until all the chicken pieces are submerged in the water. There is about 1.5 liters of water here. Bring it to boil. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to blanch, add 3 liters of water in the stock pot, cover it and switch on the heat to bring it to boil. After 8 minutes, the chicken carcass is boiling vigorously. Open the lid. See? There are a lot of impurity or scum floating on the surface of the pot. Remove all the chicken carcass from the pot. Switch off the heat. Give it a rinse once more to ensure no impurity are stuck on the chicken carcass. In the stock pot, the water is starting to form bubbles. Put all the chicken carcass in it. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. Once the soup is boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and continue to boil for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, the stock is ready. If a sweeter, stronger stock is preferred, the stock can be boiled for another 2 to 3 hours on a low heat. The bones and meat will then melt into the stock and it will be very tasty. For now, this stock is okay. It is a pure clear chicken stock with the sweetness from the chicken carcass and no additional flavoring. Switch off the heat. Remove the chicken carcass. Strain it to remove all chicken pieces. Now we have about 2.5 liters of clear chicken bone broth. Allow it to cool. After about 1 hour, the chicken broth has cooled down. Notice that the chicken oil clumps together and is floating on the broth. It can be gently removed by skimming the oil off the surface with a large spoon. Like this. This is optional. Be careful not to stir it as skimming the oil will become more difficult. Alright, it is done. Now we have clear chicken broth with less oil. The chicken broth can be kept in the fridge for 4 to 5 days and can last for up to 3 to 4 months in the freezer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjip. Thank you and bye-bye.